Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Aquarius. If you want more clarity, Aquarius, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So, let's see what are these cards. We have lovers, Fool, and Eight of Suns. So, in your circumstances, Aquarius, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are feeling really cheerful, inspired, thinking of something, and you are curious about something you want to find out, interested to know. And maybe in your circumstances, maybe in your work, you are making some choices, something with that curiosity in your mind. You just want to find out what will happen next or what will be the result. So, maybe for some of you, it may lead you into some difficulties, guys. So, some troubles. So, if you're making some choices today, Aquarius, important choices in your life, you should do it after thinking clearly, guys. So, your, that impulsive actions are going to make things difficult for you in your situation. Maybe if you're making some important choices in your work or in your relationship, it may take you towards something difficult, and maybe you are seeing some great changes today, guys. Something is coming up. There are a lot of opportunities coming in your work situation, offers and opportunities. Though you are making choices impulsively, you will not land yourself in difficulty, guys. That is what I feel. Maybe things will fall into place and it may work well for you because you are going to be really lucky today. So, even though you are making some rash decisions today, it is going to end up in a lucky way for you guys. And maybe in this relationship with this person you love, you are going to propose to them, or maybe they are planning to propose to you. Or if you are single, if you are interested in a new relationship, you may find someone interesting and you are falling in love with this new person. So, maybe if you are in a connection, you are moving towards marriage or commitment, or if you are single, you are finding someone interesting, guys. That is what I see for your relationship. So, though you are, having that free attitude, carefree attitude, you are feeling cheerful, curious to find out where things are going. So, in this love or in your career, whatever it is, your situation is, you are going to be extremely lucky today, guys. So, things you may be making the wrong choice, but it is going to work perfectly today. So, luck is on your side. And in your work situation, the people you work with, they are going to appreciate your skills and talents, appreciate the way you have done something. Maybe you have done something good and it has seen lucrative results, and that may be the reason for happiness and appreciation with the people who are there in with you guys. And whatever difficulties you may see, Aquarius, all that is going to resolve, guys. So it may be luck, or it may be your good fortune, or it may be destiny. So Whatever it is giving you a helping hand today, Aquarius. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. Aquarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds. Okay, guys. So for those who chose this first card, let's see what is the card. We have the Wild Swans, dedication. So in your circumstances, guys, for your love or the concern you have on someone, you are sacrificing a lot or you are doing everything possible in your capacity, trying your best, doing your best to help this person, help them come out of some difficulty. But you are someone who has a strong willpower and determination. You are doing it by yourself in silence. You are facing all the obstacles or difficulties today all by yourself for the love you have for this person. But they may not understand that, they are not aware of it even for some of you. And this may even look like a madness on your part, maybe the people around you. They may feel that you have a mad dedication, something, a very unexpected level of that single mindedness towards this task or towards this mission, that you're doing everything, sacrificing so much. Maybe you are in this situation, guys, and maybe people feel really hostility in their hearts towards you. But whatever you face today, guys, whatever difficulties it may be, there may be a lot of pain you are having, there may be too much you are doing on your part, but whatever it is, you are going to heal and there is a great breakthrough coming in your circumstances. So circumstances are not going to go in the same way forever. There are great changes, beautiful, positive changes coming in your life very soon, guys. And people will appreciate your single-minded dedication and your helpful, kind nature. And people will know the truth and they will truly appreciate you for whatever you have done for this person you love, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card for those who chose this card. It is mending. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your situation, in your circumstances today, this may be the time for understanding and letting go of that unwanted burden in our life. So when we feel really hurt or sad or angered by some situation or by someone, we keep ourselves chained to that person or that situation, guys, instead of healing ourselves. So if we want to heal ourselves and move forward in our life, the way to do that is through mending our situation. And forgiveness is the best way to do that. So separate or together with your person you love. Maybe even if you are in separation, You both are experiencing the effects of hurt that is impacting everything you do. So even you may not be aware of it, but it affects whatever you do, and there is some kind of a negative energy you are having in your heart today. So that needs to be cleared. So, how to do that? So, closing your heart may not be the answer today, guys. So, if you want to heal this wound, what you need to do? So, you need to forgive this person who has hurt you and forget and move on. But if you feel that you are the one who has hurt them, you must truthfully, in your heart of hearts, apologize to them. Maybe if you can do it directly, then it is well and good. Maybe if you cannot, in your heart of hearts, you can honestly make redress, honestly say the words that you are sorry for them, sorry for what has happened, and that will bring a change in your heart, guys, a positive change, and only goodness will come out of forgiveness. And that is what this card is about. And that is the way you are going to set yourself from the chains that are holding you back today, holding you in the sadness and pain. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this reading, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.